Hello guys, welcome to Coding Shiksha live stream. So in this live stream, I will introduce to a new tool that I developed on my website, freemediatools.com. So this tool actually goes is a speech to text recognition tool. It's a WebRTC tool, and the primary objective of this tool to actually convert your voice through your microphone into text automatically. So this is actually the interface right here. We have this icon of microphone. If I click it, it will now ask for the permission for the microphone, and now you can see whatever I am speaking, it is now capturing it and it is showing it inside the text area. So this is actually a very awesome text speech to text recognition web application that I developed inside the vanilla JavaScript and HTML, and there is no third party dependency which is used in this app. And you can see it's very awesome, very easy to use interface, and you can see how it has been capturing my voice and converting this text into the text that you can see. So it is speech to text recognition WebRTC full web app which I coded inside the vanilla JavaScript, HTML and CSS. And you can also see it has a tab for various languages. You can select English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Urdu. So all these languages are there. So let's suppose if I select any regional language, if I select here Hindi, so now if I speak right here, what you will see, it is automatically translating my text, whatever I am speaking, into Hindi language, and you can see that. So whatever I am speaking, it is now converting that text into Hindi language. So you can just see, I can even talk in Hindi as well. So it will write automatically the correct text in Hindi as well. So let me first of all delete this everything. मेरा नाम गौतम है और मैं वेब डेवलपर हूँ इंडिया कंट्री से, और आप देख सकते हैं कैसे ये एप्लीकेशन काम कर रही है। जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ उस एप्लीकेशन को वो कैप्चर करके हिंदी लैंग्वेज के अंदर एप्लीकेशन लिख रही है। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये एप्लीकेशन हिंदी लैंग्वेज में भी वर्क कर रही है। So you can see that guys, I just speak in some Hindi and it has written obviously the Hindi very accurately. So you can see that I am speaking English and it is also doing the translation as well as speech to text as well. So it's all in one application guys. You can just see, you can select Urdu language as well. Urdu is also a very popular language around the world. So you can see that how I am speaking English, but it is translating English to Urdu, and it is actually autopilot. And I have written this code guys inside JavaScript, HTML and CSS, the full app. And if you need to purchase this, the link is given in the description. You will actually get this zip file which will contain this single index.html file, and you can see this is the overall code right here. You can see how many lines of code is there. So it's a pretty lengthy app, but still I developed it from scratch. And you can just see I just used the built-in concepts of JavaScript. About 803 lines of code is there in the overall application. It contains HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you can easily deploy this application, and it's very awesome. It works in the browser, no need to having a server-side code. You can build a shared hosting, you can purchase a domain name, and then you can deploy this tool and earn a lot of revenue from Ezoic and AdSense as well. So you can see it's very popular, translating as well as speech to text as well. If you want to copy this text, you can click the copy button, so all the text will be copied. So now you can actually make a file right here. So you can paste that text. So you can see that everything that we pasted, you can see that. So this is the text, and it supports all these languages, but if you purchase the source code, you can extend that and add your own regional languages. If you are basically outside India, you can have your own regional languages such as Spanish, If you are living in Europe, you can have more languages. So you can extend this drop picker. So I just have few languages, but you can extend its support. If you have the code, if you have this source code, after you purchase it, you will get access to this source code. So inside this file, you can add more languages. So it has the support. You just need to add more languages, and then it will support your regional language as well, such as Chinese, Japanese, any language that you speak. So this is the overall controls. And the nice thing is that if I, let's suppose, write something right here, it's all in one, text to speech as well. So right here, if I paste some text from English language, and let me just stop this, cancel it. So now if I type something right here, it's English language, you will see that. And if I want to speak these words by a speaker, so I just need to click this button, and all these words will be
New
spoken.
Zealand, Maori, Aotearoa, Ataa,
So
is
I
an
just need to
island
select the
country in the
English language.
southwestern Pacific Ocean. It consists of two main landmasses, the North Island, Teika Maui.
I think, let me just see, my volume is not coming. Let me fix this. I think, okay, this is the headphones. Sorry. Now I think the volume will come. So this is actually application, guys, and you can even run this application in localhost as well. Simply open this. If you have access to this source code, you can simply run this. I think my volume is not working, guys, but if you click this button, before purchasing it, you can actually see the live demo on my checkout page on procodestore.com. The link is given. You can try this application by visiting freemediatools.com slash speech to text recognition. So before purchasing it, you can try this tool on your machine. If you are happy, then only purchase it. It has all the features, Google Translate. It has features like text to speech, speech to text as well. You can even click this settings option if you want the application to be in dark mode. Then you can actually see this application in dark mode. But I prefer the light mode, so I just, this mode is better. So you can try this application. The link is given in the description. If you want to purchase the full source code, you will get access to this full app right here. You will get this full source code, and the link is given in the description. So you can turn the microphone and you can see that all these things are spoken, and you can just Bengali language, you can see Mera Naam Gautam has, you can see if I spoke, now I'm speaking, so it is writing Bengali. So all, if you are belonging to a specific region, you can add your own language after you purchase the source code. So this, now this is Punjabi language which is spoken. You can see all these languages as you spoke, it is converting those to, now I am just speaking Hindi. So now it will actually write Hindi language. You can see that Mera Naam Gautam hai. I'm just speaking in English language. So this is actual speech to text recognition, guys, with Google Translate as well built in. So if you need this full app, the link is given in the description. And also if you click this button, I think all these words will also be spoken, but in my machine the volume is not working. But still, it's a very good app. You can try this before purchasing it by going to this free media tools and just so this is the application, guys. If you are interested, the link is given, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.